Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mazda 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo engine is a significant departure from its naturally aspirated sibling, offering a substantial boost in power and torque while still retaining some of Mazda's characteristic engineering philosophies. Review and opinions. The 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo is widely praised for its strong, immediate torque delivery, particularly at lower RPMs, which makes it feel much more responsive and effortless in daily driving than the naturally aspirated version. This engine addresses the primary criticism of the non-turbo 2.5, its need to be revved out for power. Reviewers often highlight its smooth and refined character, with minimal turbo lag, giving it a premium feel that belies its four-cylinder displacement. It's frequently lauded for providing V6-like performance with four-cylinder fuel economy, making it an appealing choice for those who want more power without a significant penalty at the pump. Opinions generally lean positive, with many appreciating Mazda's unique approach to turbocharging, which focuses on real-world drivability rather than just peak horsepower numbers. Advantages: abundant torque. The most significant advantage is the substantial increase in torque, up to 320 lb-ft on premium fuel, which is available from very low RPMs, 2,000 to 2,500 RPM. This provides strong acceleration and makes passing maneuvers much easier. Refined power delivery. Mazda's dynamic pressure turbo system, which uses a butterfly valve to narrow exhaust passages at low RPMs, helps spool the turbo faster, minimizing lag and contributing to a smooth, linear power delivery that feels more natural than some other turbocharged engines. Good fuel efficiency for the performance. While not as efficient as the naturally aspirated 2.5, it still offers commendable fuel economy for the power it produces, especially when compared to traditional V6 engines it effectively replaces. High compression ratio. For a turbo, Mazda manages to maintain a relatively high compression ratio for a turbocharged engine, 10.5 to 1. This contributes to efficiency and responsiveness. Quiet and smooth operation. The engine generally operates very quietly and smoothly, contributing to the overall refined driving experience in Mazda vehicles. Disadvantages: premium fuel for max power. To achieve the maximum horsepower, 250 horsepower versus 227 horsepower, and torque, Mazda recommends using 93 AKI octane, premium gasoline. While it can run on regular 87 AKI octane, there's a noticeable reduction in output. Potential for cylinder head cracking. Earlier models, this is the most significant known issue. Some earlier versions, primarily 2016 to 2020 models, of the 2.5T engine have reported issues with cracked cylinder heads leading to coolant leaks. Mazda has reportedly addressed this with a redesigned head in later models, 2021 plus, but it's a concern for those considering older used vehicles. Oil consumption. Specific model year, some 2021 models have been reported to experience oil consumption issues, potentially due to leaking valve stem seals. There's been a class action lawsuit related to this, with potential warranty extensions and fixes available. Carbon buildup. Like all direct injection engines, the 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo is susceptible to carbon buildup on the intake valves over time, as fuel doesn't wash over them. While Mazda has engineering efforts to minimize this, it's still a possibility and can impact performance. Faults and breakdowns. Beyond the disadvantages mentioned above, which are the most notable issues. Cylinder head cracks. This is the most serious reported fault, leading to coolant leaks. It's crucial to check service history for this issue if considering an earlier model year. Oil consumption, predominantly noted in some 2021 models linked to valve stem seals. Less common. Other minor issues are generally rare, but as with any complex engine, regular maintenance is key to preventing problems. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo varies depending on the vehicle and driving conditions, but it's generally good for the performance it delivers. Example: Mazda CX-5. EPA estimated 22 mpg city / 27 mpg highway / 24 mpg combined with 87 octane. Real-world driving often sees figures close to these, though aggressive driving will naturally reduce them. Using premium fuel for maximum power may also slightly impact fuel economy compared to using regular, due to different engine tuning and driving styles it might encourage. Timing. The Mazda 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo engine uses a timing chain. This is a durable, lifetime component designed to last for the engine's entire lifespan, provided regular maintenance, especially oil changes, is performed. This eliminates the need for periodic timing belt replacements. Oil. Mazda typically recommends SAE 5W 30 synthetic oil for the 2.5 Skyactiv-G turbo engine. It's critical to use oil that meets Mazda's specifications and industry standards, e.g., API-SN or SP, ILSAC GF5 or GF6, to ensure proper lubrication, protect the turbocharger, and minimize carbon buildup. Regular and timely oil changes are even more crucial for a turbocharged engine due to the higher operating temperatures and stresses on the oil. Versions and history. The turbocharged PYVPDES version of the Skyactiv-G 2.5L engine made its debut in the 2016 Mazda CX-9. It was developed to provide a powerful yet efficient alternative to V6 engines in larger Mazda vehicles, aligning with Mazda's right-sizing strategy. Since its introduction, it has been offered in various Mazda models, often as the top-tier engine option. Mazda CX-9 since 2016. Mazda 6, 2018 onwards in some markets. Mazda CX-5, 2019 onwards in higher trims. Mazda 3, 2021 onwards in select trims, particularly the turbo model. Mazda CX-30 turbo trims. Mazda CX-50 turbo trims. Key historical and technological aspects include dynamic pressure turbo, a unique exhaust manifold design with a valve to optimize exhaust gas flow at low RPMs, reducing turbo lag. Cooled exhaust gas recirculation. EGR. This system helps lower combustion chamber temperatures, allowing for a relatively high compression ratio for a turbocharged engine, contributing to efficiency and knock resistance. Power output variations. The engine offers different power outputs depending on the fuel octane used, e.g., 227 horsepower on 87 octane, 250 horsepower on 93 octane. Refinements. Mazda has continuously refined the engine since its launch, with later versions addressing some of the initial reported issues, such as the cylinder head design. The 2.5 Skyactiv-G Turbo represents Mazda's successful foray into mass-market turbocharging, providing a compelling blend of performance, refinement, and reasonable efficiency for its segment. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.